dancing, everyone. So guys, you want me here? Welcome. So yeah, and we eat. And you really know this place. This is the kitchen area. Wait, what's this? I'm gonna watch this one. I'm just joking. So what?
Anak, wala dyan yung dede. Nandito kay mami, oh.
Ano?
Ano, bakit nagagalit? Kasi masama na yung loob. Hindi, masama na yung loob bago pa padidiin.
Wow.
Kalma muna bago ka doon.
Everyone angry. Wait, I'm gonna take some food in here in the refrigerator. Yeah. Here's something to eat. Maybe we drink some milk. Maybe that's the last milk. Wait, okay. Oh, I got. Oh, why this? Wow. Ay, sorry. Hello, baby. Dian. Hello.
Hindi mo kayo matawag sa cellphone ko?
Hindi ko alam. Trick lang. Meron tatawag. This random person. But no number. Only that name. Sino sa...
Hello po.
Sino nasarado? Who close it?
Ako.
Hey. Okay, I just got... Okay, so, the camera's right here. Ha? Hindi naman ako naipaiyak kay. Hindi ko na alam.
Kumain ka na ba?
Oo, syempre.
Ano? Bukas sa school. Ano?
Yeah, I already see this, so... Oops. I don't know how to do this.
Medyo choppy kayo.
Maybe part 6 or part 7.